Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was asked to do a super Blood Moon Eclipse inspired look, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. I'm gonna use the NARS Radiance primer. Precisely my brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm just gonna line underneath my brows with this, and then I'm gonna take and brush through so there's like no unnatural harsh looking lines. And then I'm gonna take the Benefit Gimme brow and put that in my eyebrows.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now I'm just priming my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape. My color is light sand, if you're curious.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
So once I've got both eyes primed, I'm going to go ahead and start with the black. I'm using the James Charles palette.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the
M505 Morphe brush and darkening the black just a little bit more in the corner of my eye and in the crease.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright.
I'm gonna go back with the Pretty Vulgar Ink eyeliner, and really you could have started with this as a base and then set it with the black eyeshadow. That's what I should have probably done, but I'm gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna blend it in, and I'm just gonna put it in the corner and in the crease, and then I'm probably gonna go back over with a little bit more black eyeshadow just to make sure that this is really deep black here.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind.
Okay, so that actually blended out really well, so you can definitely do it in the order that I did it in, and I am going to go back over that with a little more black just to set that so it doesn't get creasy. So yeah, I'll come back to it now. Okay, so I'm actually taking this Luxie lip brush. It's the Luxie 160 lip. I just find that small brushes like this that have kind of round tips are really good for cut creases. The smaller the brush, the more precise you can do the cut crease. So yeah, I'm gonna use it for the cut crease. Okay, so I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid for my cut crease. Alright, so put it on and then general vicinity, and then look up, and your eye will naturally show you where that line should be. So just go back and perfect that.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Then I'm going to take a brush and just brush this edge out so that there are no harsh lines there. And I'm going to go back and set that with white eyeshadow. Okay, so if you wanted to stop at this point, it's definitely very moon inspired. However, we're going for the Blood Moon. So we're going to go ahead with the red. Okay, so I'm taking the Morphe 421 brush, and I'm going to go ahead with this bright red in the James Charles palette. And I'm actually going to go ahead and apply some setting spray so that that red shows on just a little bit brighter. Okay, this is actually super Blood Moon Eclipse inspired, so we need like the eclipse part in there. So I'm taking this shimmery white highlight slash base color from the VH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just gonna go along the center of my eye here. Okay, and I'm definitely, this usually goes on really smooth, but I think it's just because I'm trying to put it on top of a mat that it's not working. So I'm gonna just spray it again with setting spray. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna take and highlight my eye with gold, whitish gold. Okay, so I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and just wiping underneath my eyes, and then just kind of making this a perfect line over here. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face with the MAC Prepping Time, and then I'm gonna use Urban Decay's All Nighter Foundation. Blend it out using a Morphe sponge. Like this is a little bit too yellow for me, so I'm gonna go ahead with the Lancome Rénergie Lips Foundation I have, and this is an Ivory 110C, so it's a bit lighter. Should lighten this up, and then I should like cut it. Next, I'm gonna use the Hoola Quickie contour for some benefit. Okay, so I'm using the Luxie 680 Pro Precision Face Brush to blend that out. This is definitely not what that brush is for, but I've just been experimenting lately to see, like, you know, what brush comes out with the look I want. And actually, I like the way this one blends. It's a more dense brush, so it actually blends it out quite well, which is nice. And then if it's wet, like if you want to spray it with MAC Prepping Time or something, it works even better. So it's probably actually not my brush of choice for this, but it worked out pretty well actually. Next, I'm going to use the Morphe 523. This brush is actually meant for powder. I've actually seen quite a few other YouTubers use this for contouring, and I do like the way that it looks. So I'm going to use it with the NARS Laguna bronzer. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little. Okay, next I'm gonna take this Pure Highlight and Contour Sculpture palette. And I'm gonna use the color Inventor, and I'm using this brush from Luxie, the 522. It is actually for highlight, but I think it's kind of big for highlight, to be honest. I like how small it is because I'm gonna just kind of like define my contour a little bit more. It's super soft, so I could definitely see how it would apply highlighter really nicely though. So I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put the red underneath my eye. I'm going to go about halfway with that, just how it is on the top of my eye. And then I'm going to take the black in the corner of my eye here and just blend it into the red.
Yeah, I was blacked out last night. Woke up feeling faded still. Vision on slow motion like I'm
next, I'm
living
using
in
the
the
Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes, and I'm just going to go below my eyes. I'm going to flip the sponge over and get up into the corner. Make sure I'm not creasing. Okay, next I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Easy Baking and Setting Loose Baking and Setting Powder. So I can just make it shorter. Whatever. It smells great though anyway. This is in the shade Pound Cake. Carve out my jawline. Okay, next I'm taking the Morphe 506 brush. This is just a tiny little blending brush, but I absolutely love it for highlighting my inner eye. So again, I'm going with the same color I used to highlight up here in the James Charles palette, the gold white kind of color. So I'm just going back and kind of patting with my still damp beauty blender to pat in the finishing color so that I don't get a flashback. And then by Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution. That should also help get rid of any flashback you might have. While my face is kind of damp, I'm going to go with the MAC Extra Dimension Double Gleam. Extra Dimension Skinfinish and Double Gleam. And I'm using the Morphe 510 brush for that. Through the full moon is super bright, so we can do that. Okay, next I'm taking the Diorshow Waterproof Mascara from DIOR. Okay, so I'm gonna apply lashes in style Trophy from Vanity Lashes. Next, I'm using the Morphe lipstick in shade Bonnie. Okay, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and I also added the NYX Professional Lip Liner in this bright red in my waterline because I felt like I needed a little more. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it if you love it. I love you. Thank you guys.